Okay, this is how do you graph quadratic functions in vertex form. Vertex form is some things that look like this: y equals ax minus h squared plus k. So given the vertex form, I can just find your hk. To find your vertex, you just need to look at your hk. Okay, vertex is your hk. So looking at that, you just look at the numbers here. It's going to be -1, 4. Okay, you just pull out the numbers from here. -1, 4 is all the way here. Okay, and then that gives you the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Okay, axis of symmetry and the vertex usually overlap, right? They're on top of each other. It's going to be the middle of your U shape. Okay, I want it to be dashed because it's not the actual graph. It's only going to guide you. Okay, and it has to have the arrows there. So you have your axis of symmetry and the vertex. You're more than halfway done. You're going to create your table, x and the y. You're going to choose a side of the axis of symmetry. Either you can do the left side or the right side of the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, I forgot to write down the formula. X is equal to -1, which is same as your vertex. Okay, so the left side of symmetry should be counting down, -2, -3, -4. Counting to the right, it should be 0, 1, 2, 3. Obviously, 0, 1, 2, 3 is easier number to work with. So I'm going to do 0 here and then see what I get. If I plug in the 0 to the equation, I'm going to have -2. 0 plus 1 squared plus 4. So that's going to give me -2. 1 squared plus 4. So that's going to give me -2 plus 4. That's going to give me +2. So that gives me 0, 2 as one of your points. Okay, 1. If you plug in the 1, because we're counting up, this is the right side of the symmetry. -2, 1 plus 1 squared plus 4. -2 times 2 squared plus 4. That gives me -2 times 4 plus 4. That gives me -8 plus 4, which is -4. So our ordered pair should be 1, -4. Okay, so after you do that, you plot your points. I'm going to use the green. We have 0, 2. I'm going to reflect this here. And then 1, -4 is all the way down here. You reflect the points. And then you do your parabola that goes through these points. And then you are done graphing.